Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name's Ardil and today we are upgrading this VW Transporter with a product called Lazer Lamps, and this is actually a specific kit designed for this Transporter. What we've got at the front of the vehicle is the Lazer Lamps here. So we've got one either side of that VW badge, and this is all wired into the vehicle's high beam system. So as soon as you enable high beam, you actually have these turn on. However, we also have added in a little rocker switch which actually turns off the system so you can have your original high beams powered and not have these on if you wish. However, the difference these make are absolutely phenomenal. Obviously, because of the light today, we can't really show how good these things are, but we'll pop up a little image of what these are like at night because they are absolutely phenomenal. Once you've driven a car with laser lamps on them, I myself had a Nissan Navara with the light bar along the top with the linear 18, absolutely phenomenal. It is so hard to then drive a car with normal high beam. It is the difference between the laser lamps here and the standard high beam is absolutely incredible. So not only is it installed to the highest possible standards from our workshop facilities here in Cambridge, it's all been completed within one day to carry out this work. However, the level of install that we go to is really intense. So full bumper removal is involved on this, full cable run into the vehicle, hooking up into the CAN bus system of that high beam to enable that all to work seamlessly with that high beam, but also having the option to override it with that little rocker switch, which is neatly positioned down on the right hand side. But overall, a fantastic solution if you're looking to add more lighting to your vehicle and have that projection of light via these new laser lamp system, and they look absolutely incredible and pretty cool too. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed today's video and you've also seen the upgrade that we've carried out on this VW Transporter. So thank you once again for watching. Smash that subscribe button. I'll see you on the next one.